Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like resin art and would like more videos like these from me, just please hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Today I'm making a flower bowl and I'm using Teexpert resin. I usually heat that up and mix it and heat it up to 32 degrees Celsius. That's a good temperature for my room and my resin. And I have a digital thermometer that I use. This part, I will have to say, I wish I would have waited until the end. But then I mixed about 3.5 ounces of the resin with silk blue mica powder and poured that around the edges. And again, that was probably about 3.5 ounces. And then I mixed a white mica powder. It's called Pearl, with about 3.5 ounces of the white pearl mica powder into the resin. And then I poured, that's the white mica powder that I'm mixing. And then I poured it around the edge as well, like the inner edge of the silk blue. This is such a pretty color. And then after I poured the white, I took the clear. This is why that center part with the glitter in it, or the foil, I should have done that at the end. So if you're doing this project, just make sure to not put that in the center first. This is why, is because I poured the remainder of the clear resin that I had. And again, the whole project took about 14 to 16 ounces for this mold. And the glitter part in the center started to separate and move. And I did not want that. If I would have done it at the end, it would not have moved so much. So I would suggest doing that part at the end. That's the silk blue mica powder that I used, and that's the pearl white mica powder that I used, and the foil flakes. And see how it's separating, it's moving. And also make sure that your table is level. Your area that you're pouring the resin on, you want it to be level. And this is after it had moved, and I let it cure for about 6 hours till it wasn't tacky or sticky anymore. And then I put it in a mixing bowl so that I could get the shape of the bowl that I wanted. And then I let it cure another 24 hours. Usually after 24 to 36 hours, it's cured, but at about 30 days, it's fully cured. But you can, take it out of the bowl and it's ready to go after 24 hours. But fully cured resin would be 30 days. And that's how it turned out. I think it's so pretty, but see how the center separated? That's the part I did not like. Show the bad with the good. And that's where I would have done that differently. Thank you so much for watching.